What's happening, YouTube? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate every single one of y'all. I know this is a pretty big moment. I'm pretty pumped for this. Anyway, first, I want to go ahead and say that I appreciate every single one of y'all greatly. Thank you guys for everything you guys have been doing for the channel, supporting me and all, the great, the kind words and stuff. I absolutely, love the appreciation and all, especially, a lot of the Facebook groups, things like that. You guys are awesome. Super blessed to be able to be one of the first ones as far as with the 250F in the US to actually create a video on this specific thing. So this is pretty awesome. I know a lot of guys and girls have been looking forward to seeing kind of a lot of things that have kind of evolved with the 250F and what's out there. There's a lot of awesome riding content from a lot of other folks out there. Love seeing that stuff. So we're gonna keep kind of hitting that, maxing this bike out, and we have kind of hit it right here. So let's kind of get into this real quick. First and foremost, if you haven't already, please go subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys think at the end of this video. I appreciate you. Also, go check out my cousin Kevin Hurd. He does all the music and stuff for the videos and all. Huge supporter of the channel. We support him. Go check him out. Links are in the description. It'll be a three-part segment here. So the first part, I'm going to show you guys exactly what we have got for this 2023 CRF250F. Next, we're going to go through the install of it all. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do step by step. For anybody that's interested in it. And then the third one is going to be the tuning of the bike. Yes, the bike will be tuned. The EJK tuner, fuel tuner does come off of the bike. So I'll end up, probably selling that. So anyway, let's jump right into this thing. Yes, a lot of people have guessed it as far as on YouTube and stuff, or not YouTube, I'm sorry, Facebook have guessed it. We are boring the bike. So the company I have been working with for probably the past 2 months, awesome guys. The shipping was super fast, y'all. I ordered this thing on the 22nd of December, finally, after talking to them back and forth a bunch. And it showed up today, January 2nd. So Happy New Year to all you guys. Hope y'all had a great holiday. Anyway, let's jump right into this thing and what it includes. So your stock bore on these bikes, I'm gonna get into the kit that I've got, the different variations that they do offer. This is a force cam bore kit. So they offer 6 different variations, 3 different bore sizes, as far as, big bore kits. So I believe the stock bore is 71 on these bikes. I could be wrong on that, so don't quote me. I just believe it's 71. Anyway, the bore now is going to be 74. So this is, I'll go into the kits here in a minute. Let's just jump into what it includes, because it's not just the bore kit, the piston, stuff like that. So it's a little bit more than that, because there's different variations, which I'll jump into in just a sec. So first of all, in this kit, we have, as far as your head goes, these guys, the wrapping, the packaging, stuff like that it came in was actually really good, y'all. It was super packed. Everything is super clean, oiled up. Anyway, I'm gonna keep that in there. Anyway, we do have the head. And again, everything here, it is from Force Cam. There's a couple different companies out there, so I'll get into that stuff here in just a second, a little more detail. Anyway, here you go, 74 millimeter from Force Cam. This is your piston. They have already preset all the rings in this thing, so no need to do that. They have oiled it up as well. I'll probably dab it up, touch it up here just a hair from it sitting in the packaging. Let's see here. Yep, there we go. Snapper and all that stuff for the piston. Now we also have the camshaft. Again, Cam Force camshaft here, and it does also have the valve spring retainers. It comes with 2 of them. Those are going to be essential for this specific camshaft. I'll get into that again in a minute. They do send as well, in this specific kit, a 12-tooth front sprocket. I'm running a 51 in the rear, so this 12-tooth, you want to talk about a torque monster, and I don't really think my first gear is going to probably be used after I'm done with this thing, but we'll find out. Anyway, 12-tooth front sprocket, comes with all your gaskets as well. Now with this specific kit, I was told this is a genuine Honda part. This is their anti-slip clutch that they have. So their pricing and stuff on a lot of this, by the way, y'all, it is very cost effective. I'll let you guys know in the end what it is. But this specific kit, you must run this. You must run that clutch. It does come with your 5 as far as your springs. They send all that to you. Lastly, we have our Athlon ECU. The third part will be on tuning this. It is actually Bluetooth as well. If you don't want to, there's a way to set it and change your settings and stuff on the bike without having Bluetooth and stuff, obviously. But if you do end up wanting to toy around with a few things, have it like in your shop, stuff like that, you know, you can toy around with it without messing with your kill button, which is how you program them. I'll get into that in the third video. But anyway, it's done by the serial number, pin number, stuff like that, etched on the actual ECU and all. So anyway, that is what we have got in the kit. Now, I will go ahead and break it down again real quick. You do get your cylinder head, your cam force, your piston rings, etc. preset. You get your force camshaft with your valve spring retainers. You get the 12-tooth front sprocket, all your gaskets, the Athlon ECU. You get your genuine Honda anti-slip clutch kit as well. So this kit right here, they offer 3. There's a 275 cc, there's a 310 and a 360. And now within each one of those kits, you have a race version and a rally version. So your rally version, I asked a bunch of questions to these guys. And by the way, they are super helpful over there, y'all, and they do speak English, so no need to, you know, do any type of translator or anything like that to Portuguese or whatnot from them over in Brazil. They are awesome. They'll answer anything and everything you have. Anyway, the difference between your race and your race is more of your higher revving bikes, or what you want out of a bike, I guess I should say. Higher revving, things like that. Getting more into your higher RPMs. Your rally is more of a lower RPM, maybe something you want to draw out your gearing and all, as far as getting a little bit more, you know, say you're cruising in, we'll just say like 3rd gear, 4th gear, you know, and crack it up and you get a little bit more, a little quicker spark, you know, bite out of the bike. Anyway, I believe the other dynos that I have seen on the 250Fs have been running them to the wheels, not to the crank, but to the wheels, have been running somewhere around 18 to, I would say the max I've ever seen was like 20. I've seen one video where they had the EJK, they had the exhaust, the airbox, and they ended up, I think, peaking at like 19.6 or something like that. Anyway, to the wheels. This one to the wheels, this kit is 32.5. Horsepower to the wheels, and it has a little bit more torque than a 250 RX. This is the 275 race kit. I did not go with the 310. I did not go with the 360. I did not want to overdo it. Again, I wanted these kits I've read and talked to these guys are extremely reliable, no issues, but I wanted to just ensure that, so I just went with the 275. And the numbers were there for what I think I'm seeking and kind of looking for, especially with, you know, this race season kind of coming up. I think it'll bump me into where I want to be as far as that extra, you know, bite that I need with this thing. So I went with the 275 race, which the race, your camshaft that you get is a completely different camshaft. You have to run the anti-slip clutch with this thing. From what they have said, they said that the OEM clutch will not hold up with this kit. As far as, you know, like hard shifting and stuff with, you know, your higher RPM, stuff like that. Anyway, that's from what they had said. And this clutch is, these plates are thicker. We'll go ahead and say that they are thicker than the OEM ones. So, and then of course your ECU, they've got a bunch of different variations that you can kind of do with this thing. But that is the kit that we're looking at. I'll get into the price now. Be completely transparent with you guys. It was $754.99. Don't get freaked out. I'm going to post the links and stuff. When you see on their website, you see like 3,020 or, you know, 3,200 or 4,800, etc. It's in Brazilian real. So after your exchange rate and stuff like that, it is $754.99 for my exact kit. I will put the link in the description so you guys can kind of browse their site. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I did talk to these guys a good little bit. They are super nice, super friendly. I am going to share this video with them. I'm pretty pumped to be one of the first to actually do everybody essentially a full install on this kit as far as in English goes. So anyway, shipped to the door though. Like I said, I ordered it on the 22nd and it arrived today. So that was an amazing turnaround. And it was $838. So about $755, and it was $838 shipped. Cleared customs, no problem. I mean, super quick there and here. So I'm pretty pumped, y'all. I've already started tearing the bike down. I've got another video kind of in progress as well that I will release a little bit later. The second video is going to probably be one of the longer ones. I will speed forward through, or fast forward and speed through some of the stuff as I'm doing it, just kind of but I'm going to let you guys know as I am doing it and what exactly is needed, just similar to how I did with the suspension as well. Again, others may have a different way of doing this. If you have already done a bore kit, hey, that's awesome. I'd like to know how you guys like it. I have seen a couple videos out there. However, I have not seen any install videos and I have not seen any videos in English of walking anybody through anything. So again, I appreciate every single one of you guys. This is what is coming. It is here. I will have I should hopefully have this kit complete and the full video up of the install by the end of the week. And then I will get into the programming this weekend. Or maybe actually, no, I'll get into it by the end of the week. And then I'll upload the video this weekend and we'll do some testing and stuff with it. And we'll see how we like it, guys. I'm pretty pumped about this stuff. So again, I appreciate every single one of y'all. If you know anybody that would be interested in this video, hey, please share this video. Let them know it is coming. We are in the works. I am down here right now at night after work, getting this thing, situated. I'm pretty pumped on this. I've been waiting a long time. Again, I appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank you guys. Have a blessed rest of your day, and we will catch you guys on the next go round.